Hello everyone, today I will be reviewing a budget-friendly 5-star hotel in Makkah. We took a bus from the airport to Voco Hotel and were impressed by its majestic entrance. We encountered a large and luxurious lobby. Here you go for the entrance and here is the lobby. What a lobby. Now moving towards the elevators, we went to our room. The rooms, equipped with smart locks, were spacious and clean, featuring a personalized welcome on the TV. You can see a message on the TV named as Mr. Safdar. Welcome, Mr. Safdar, the head of the family member. Now moving towards the bathroom area, it includes various options, amenities like shampoo, towels, soap, tissues, and even a hair dryer, Voco Hotel also provided us an iron and an electric kettle as well in the room. The hotel had 24/7 buses that took you directly to the haram, and they even had a shoe cleaning machine at the end. Overall, I give the Voco Hotel a perfect score of 10 out of 10 for its affordable price.